This is a demonstration of the cyclometer. So the rotors are loaded up in the order of 3, 2 and 1 from left to right. So they're first loaded into the cyclometer. And the same is done in 3, 2, 1 for the right-hand rotor system, and is loaded in there as well. The same mechanism as in the Enigma machine. And we can shut the rotor covers, and the windows display the letters. So we're going to go for a random one, so I'm just going to pick, let's say, F, K, O. You then set up the right one, the same as the left, and then you move the right-hand rotor or the right-hand rotor system 3 steps forward. We then have a choice of choosing any letter on the lamp board and flicking the switch. Start with A. We then move up the rheostat until you can see all the bulbs are glowing. And return it back to the point of highest resistance, turn off the letter, and see a letter that hadn't lit up in the previous cycles, like so. So you can see in this case, for FKO, we have, the first time we had 18 bulbs lighting up, and the second time we had 8 bulbs lighting up. Now I'm just going to try another one now. Let's try FKP. So as I say, we have the left hand as our rotor settings, and the right hand system is 3 steps ahead. I'm just going to start with A again and wind up the rheostat. And here you can see 24 bulbs are lighting, so H and W have not lit yet. See the remaining 2 bulbs light. I'll try again for another system. FKQ, 3 steps ahead on the right. I'll just start off with A. And we can see the first lot lighting up. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then B, we have 4. So I can see at the moment a bulb that has not yet lit is G. We can see another 8 lighting up. I can also see that H is not lit up yet. Here's another cycle, 4, sorry. And finally, the last one that has not lit up, I can see is L, and its other pair, U. Now, it would work equally if I flick switch U, L will light up also. And the same is true for any other cycles I just showed.